Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing an anime wolf. I've drawn normal wolves and I've drawn anime characters, so I thought an anime wolf might be a good one to show people how to draw. It's just slightly less detailed than the other animal wolves that we've done on this channel. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with the eye, okay? So we'll go diagonal, down here, down to there. It's real, it's sort of pointy, and then curves around. By the way, this is Kiba from Wolf's Rain. This is the reference image, right? And then the eye inside, so it's just a sort of a half circle shape, right? And it's all black around it. Just there. And then the pupil, just here. And then you just color black around, fill it in. Right, so that's kind of a simple sort of anime wolf eye. Right, and then maybe some like lines just around, just for some texture. Just to show it's kind of furry around there. Okay, so the snout down here, right? So you got this sort of furry sort of eyebrow shape, right? Just across in the eye, just here. It's about the eye width without this spike, right? So the width of his eye, kind of this distance, kind of goes across again, say just to here. Maybe half his eye goes across, that's where that is, right? So then the snout then goes down, like so. It's pretty long, it's about two of these. One, two eye, the whole eye. So that distance is about half an eye, and this is like two full eyes down to his nose, right? So then the snout goes out, down, we'll go in again. And then this goes around to there. Right. And then you'll have sort of a nostril. Just you could do it a line. I've seen it drawn like that, but we'll go a little bit more detailed and add just the hole itself, the circle. And then this could be, you know, like edge lines and stuff on that. So his mouth, top lip comes back, and this is like a dark black lip, kind of like his eye. Right, so they do this sort of section, right, comes back like so. So you color this dark. Right, like that. And then the bottom, so this back of his lip kind of ends the same level as the eye back there as well. And then his bottom lip comes around like so. And then we got these fur lines coming down for his neck. So like just simple sort of anime hair spikes. So we could have like just the middle of his forehead sort of line. Maybe like some texture just for his eyebrow going back there. Like some going down his snout. Right, so then the top of his forehead goes up around here, up towards the ears. Right, so we've got one big ear sticking up here. Just goes off the top of my page there. A few more room, just bring it to a point and then back down. And then the other ear on this side to there. So the ear joins sort of the side of the face, right? So it's a real sort of furry spiking line that comes around towards, it goes around his jaw kind of. Right, and then the inside of his ear, like so. some more sort of lines on the inside and some more fur on the inside as well. Like so. And then we got like some more fur lines and stuff just around his head. Texture here. Like another sort of little hairline. Like for his cheek just there. Like so. Right, and then his back, so it kind of follows the line for his head. It goes back this way. You'll add some fur every now and then. Right, like so. And then we'll add some more fur on his body. This is like his shoulder. Like so, and maybe like going down there. Just some texture. Just to suggest that this area is like furry. You don't have to do too much, because we're going for sort of a simpler kind of anime sort of look. Right. But that's it. That's how to draw a simple anime wolf. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.